How to fix Amazon's shopping app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Amazon shopping app is not working properly. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. So the very first thing you want to do is make sure that your application is up to date. And for that, you will just have to open up your App Store or Google Play Store. And from here, you're just going to head over to the search bar and search for Amazon and hit enter. Now the Amazon shopping app will pop up on your screen. You'll just have to make sure that the app is up to date. If you see an update button here instead of open, you will just have to update the app. Now once the app is on its latest version, you can try to restart your phone and check if the issue is gone. But if it's still persisting, then in that case, you'll first have to head over to your settings menu, scroll down, tap on app settings, and then from here, you'll just have to find your Amazon app. Now just scroll down until you see your Amazon shopping app. And from here, head over to your storage, then tap on clear cache. And if you want, you can also try to clear all of its data to refresh the app. Head over to permissions and make sure all of these permissions are allowed, as the app requires these permissions to run smoothly. So that's pretty much it. After doing all of that, just give your phone a quick restart and then you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.